exhausted already. Do you often experience these feelings? Well, feeling tired could be due to many factors, be it medical or lifestyle related. As we all age, our energy producing structures, that is the mitochondria, decrease in number, and this leads to, feeling tired. You will not have the same energy levels in your 50s when compared to when you are in your 30s. Barring the age factor, let me tell you some of the common causes of feeling tired all the time. And good thing is that few of them are avoidable. Number 1, lack of sleep. When I talk about lack of sleep, it is actually lack of adequate amounts of good quality sleep. It really doesn't matter how long you sleep. What really matters is how good you sleep. Average duration of good quality sleep should be 7 to 8 hours, and this should be uninterrupted. As you all know, when we sleep, our brain doesn't actually sleep. It tries to work on many things including memory. And also there will be certain hormones released which regulate our metabolism and also the energy levels. When there's lack of sleep, stress hormone or cortisol is released, and this promotes inflammation and also it impairs energy production and thus making you feel tired all the time. In order to have a good quality sleep, maintaining sleep hygiene is very important. Going to bed and waking up at around the same time every day, including weekends, keeping the room quiet and free from electronic gadgets like mobile phones, iPads and laptops will help. Number 2, inactivity. Yeah, you must be wondering how inactivity can actually lead to feeling tired all the time, because there's not much energy spent, and also exercising can make you feel tired. No, you're wrong. Feeling tired after exercising is kind of temporary. When you're sedentary and not exercising, your muscles tend to become weak and they shrink in size. They cannot use energy efficiently. This also reduces your metabolic rate. Physical activity can help in building that muscle mass, and it also helps in releasing chemicals in the brain which help in energy production. You can do strength training, you can do cardio or aerobics at least for half an hour every day. Don't have time to do all those things? You can simply walk. Number 3, chronic stress. Most of us might have felt stressful at some point of time, be it due to financial stress or work pressure or relationship issues, could be anything. When we are under constant stress, cortisol or the stress hormone is produced in excess. And this leads to, as I mentioned above, chronic inflammation and also impairs energy production, thus making you feel tired all the time. Take a break when needed. Isolating yourself will only worsen the situation, so it's important to connect with people. You can do yoga, breathing exercises, mindfulness, tai chi, anything. Even 10 minutes a day will make a difference. Talking to a mental health professional can help you understand the issue better. Number 4, poor diet and water intake. When you're not eating healthy, your body will be devoid of essential vitamins and minerals. And this deficiency can in turn lead to fatigue and tiredness. Vitamins and minerals are like fuel in the fire. They help in energy production more efficiently. Too much of junk foods can lead to deficiency and also cause chronic inflammation, leading to impaired energy production. Consuming less water disrupts your metabolic activities. This causes low blood pressure and decreases blood supply to the brain, and also decreases the supply of nutrients and oxygen to all body parts. So it's important to consume at least 8 glasses of water every day. Number 5, medical reasons. Most important reason is having less hemoglobin. That is anemia. It could be due to iron deficiency or vitamin B12 deficiency or both. When the blood hemoglobin is less, oxygen supply is impaired. This can lead to impaired energy production, causing fatigue. Also, thyroid hormone deficiency can lead to fatigue because thyroid hormones help in energy production in mitochondria. Other diseases like COPD, heart diseases can also lead to chronic fatigue.
Don't forget to like and share this video. For more such videos, do subscribe to the MFine channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update.